Question 6, June 2012. You've got a differential. Question A, part 1, asks you to verify that dy by dx is 0 when x is 2. So if you just take your dy by dx, which is written above, and stick a 2 in there, so you get 3 times 2 squared minus 4 over 2 squared minus 11, which is 2 squared is 4 times 3 is 12, minus 4 divided by 2 squared is 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1, minus 11, and that is equal to 0. And that's you done for that one. Question number 2. Find the value of d squared y by dx squared. Now you need to differentiate this. You can't differentiate this because this is a fraction and you don't know how to differentiate fractions yet. So you need to turn your dy by dx into that using your powers of indices, or your rules of indices. You can't differentiate unless that is. So your d squared y by dx squared, so you differentiate the thing again. That becomes 6x, a minus and a minus make a plus. 2 times 4 is 8, x to the power, and you reduce the power, so make sure that you go the right way, which is minus 3. Tells you that they want to know what the value is when x is 2, so we're just going to stick 2 through there, so that's 6 times 2 plus. If you don't know what 2 to the power of minus 3 is, turn that into that. So you know that that 8x to the power of minus 3 is 8 over x cubed, which is what I've done there. Alright, so that's 8 over 2 cubed, so 6 times 2 is 12, 2 cubed is 8, 8 divided by 8 is 1, so the answer is 13. Question number 3 asks you to verify whether the point is a minimum or a maximum. Because d squared y by dx squared is greater than 0, that means that P is a minimum point. Okay, a minimum point. And then question B asks us to find the equation of the curve. Now when you find the equation of a curve, you need to integrate the differential. So make sure that you write down the one which hasn't got a fraction in it, because again you don't know how to differentiate a fraction. So that is what we're going to integrate. Sorry, integrate a fraction. When you integrate a dy by dx, you get a y. Okay, so that's a dy by dx, integrating it you get a y. If you integrate that, you get 3x to the power of 3 over 3, minus 4x to the power of minus 1 over minus 1, minus 11x plus c. Now if you cancel that down, you get x cubed there, a minus and a minus make a plus, so that's plus 4 over x if you want to write it like that, minus 11x plus c. Now right at the start of the question it told you that you had a point 2, 1. Now that tells you that 2 goes into the x there, and the x there, and the y value has to go there. And if you substitute those two values, you get rid of the x's and y's and you're left with one unknown, which is your c. So you get 1 equals 2 cubed plus 4 over 2 minus 11 times 2 plus c. So that's 1 equals 8 plus 2 minus 22 plus c. So c is 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 take away 22 is minus 12. Your minus 12 goes on that side and adds the 1, so it's 13. So your final answer is y equals x cubed plus 4 over x minus 11x plus 13.